Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to manage eBay claims. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap My eBay at the bottom side of your screen and then enter Selling section. So you need to look for any orders labeled as request, open case, or action needed. There are some variations how it can be named, and alternatively tap the messages, that means notification section, to check if a buyer opened a claim or return request. And there are two main claim types that you will see, and the first one is that item not received. You can respond it by uploading valid tracking information with delivery status, and also you can message the buyer directly. And the second type of claims that you can see is that item not as described. So you can offer a return, issue a refund, or upload evidence that the product was in perfect condition and it was okay. Sometimes you can send a partial refund offer to the buyer. And you typically have 3 business days to respond before eBay may step in automatically. And I have some bonus tips how to prevent future claims. And the first one is that you need to always upload tracking information immediately after shipping. Also, you need to package items carefully to avoid any damage that can happen during transportation, and you need to describe items accurately and include clear photos of your product. And also it's just additional tip that you need to respond to buyer questions as soon as possible. So yeah, I think that's basically how you can manage eBay claims. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.